Okay, so continuing on, my last video was actually part 4, not part 5. My apologies, y'all. So I'm just gonna dip my brush, burp it like I always do, place it on here, and then go into the pink again. Try to pick up a bigger bead. Okay, place it here in the middle. Okay, you see that's a lot better. It's a lot better, a whole lot better than what it was the first time. That's the way it's supposed to look. Oh, I'm just gonna. Okay. Of course, I'm gonna end up filing any spots down that need to be in my file and trim everything down. I don't know what this little piece in here is for. Okay. You gotta burp. Soak it up with the paper towel. Place your brush in here to get a reasonable good bead. Place it here. Place the bead on. Brush it down. And brush it back. Okay, and this is how I go into the ombre. Just kind of brush the pink downwards. Get that nice, you want to get this nice arch in the back too, so. Let's see how it's coming along so far. Where it's kind of getting that little ombre look. From the pink into the white, you can't really see where the pink ends or where the white ends, I should say. And again, like I said, this does take a little bit longer to dry. But it's looking pretty good so far. I'm liking how it's looking. I do want some white to show through, so I don't want it to be all looking kind of crazy. See how you have the arch right there.